Introduction. Welcome to the first day of our React.js course. Today, we'll be covering the basics of React, its benefits, and how to set up your development environment to create your first React application. Overview of React.js. React is a powerful JavaScript library for building user interfaces, developed by Facebook. It's widely used for its efficiency and flexibility in creating dynamic web applications. Some popular websites built with React include Facebook, Instagram, and Netflix. Benefits of using React. React's component-based architecture allows for reusability and easier maintenance of code. Its virtual DOM ensures high performance, and the unidirectional data flow makes managing data more predictable and easier to debug. Additionally, React has a strong community and a rich ecosystem of tools and libraries. Setting up the development environment. First, we need to install Node.js and npm. Node.js allows us to run JavaScript outside the browser, and npm is the package manager for JavaScript. Visit nodeiz.org and download the LTS version. After installation, open your terminal and type node v and npm v to verify the installation. Next, we'll install Create React App, a tool that sets up a new React project with a single command. Run npm install g create react app in your terminal, creating your first React application. To create a new React app, navigate to your desired directory in the terminal and run npx create react app my first React app. This will create a new folder with all the necessary files and configurations. Navigate to the new project directory using cd my first React app and start the development server with npm start. Your new React app will open in your default browser, and any changes you make will automatically reload the app. Understanding JSX. JSX stands for JavaScript XML. It's a syntax extension that allows you to write HTML-like code within JavaScript. This makes it easier to create and understand the structure of your components. In JSX, you can embed JavaScript expressions using curly braces. Also, remember to use class name instead of class for CSS classes due to JSX being closer to JavaScript. Let's create a simple functional component. Open the src app.js file and modify it to return some custom JSX.